First, remove the installation plate from AC indoor unit. Then, do the indoor unit location markings as per your requirement. Check the leveling of the installation plate. Then, fix the installation plate on the wall. Identify and mark the hole location. To avoid dust particles, use the dust collector bag. Drill the wall with help of core bit to make precise and accurate size hole. Now, start the process of installing indoor unit. Then, wrap the copper pipe with vinyl tape. Fix the indoor unit on the installation plate. Do all the electrical work as shown in the video. Check the positive pressure of indoor unit with help of the method shown in the video. With the help of torque wrench, do the connection of 6 and 7 number joint. Do the pipework using internal or external spring bender if necessary. Wrap vinyl tape on copper pipe. Outdoor stand assembly. Mount the outdoor stand on the wall or floor following the method shown in the video. Always make sure to use damping pad while fixing the outdoor unit on the stand. Follow the process of flaring as shown in the video if needed. With help of torque wrench, tighten the nut with the desired torque value. Vacuuming process should be done for at least 30 minutes or till vacuum level reaches -30 Hg. Simultaneously, complete the electrical work. Hold vacuum and verify to check if there is any leakage. Release the gas and use soap solution to verify leakage on 6, 7, 13 and 14 number joints. Make sure that the terminal cover and service valve guard is fitted properly. Fill the wall hole properly with the help of recommended material. To verify the water flow and water leakage, pour the water in indoor unit. Put AC on test run mode to verify cooling performance. After running the air conditioner for 12 to 15 minutes, check the performance of AC with help of SDS and explain the features and function to the customer. Thank you.